Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to do a little unboxing slash what in the world is this thing and how does it really work. This is the classic I'm looking for the name. Perfect for punching paper and photos for your happy planner. I think it's called the Happy Punch. Yeah, so this is for the medium size. They do have a pink one, which is for the large or the big happy planner. But I was sent this one, so I wanted to go ahead and open it because I don't even have any clue on anything about this product. So let's go on into this box. I'll just show you about it in the back. And it says punches, paper, and photos to fit classic happy planner weekly boxes, and punching capacity is 2 paper sheets or 1 cardstock sheet. So taking this a monstrosity thing out of the box, it does come in a lovely little plastic bag. It looks really odd. It does push down, really neat. It has like a little window. We're going to learn how to do this together. And it flips up, I guess, to get whatever you cut out in. And there's the slot where you put it. So what I did is I pulled out a pack of my cardstock. This is just the Heidi Swap cardstock, just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to flip through and find one that's may go with this week's planner. So I'm just going to use this really light cardstock, and I'm going to pull it on out with one hand here. Thank you, my little assistant. Now what you do is, let me come a little closer here, is you just put your cardstock or whatever you want in here, and we will keep it in place. You push it all the way to the back till it stops, and then you just push it down and lifts up. As you can see, it cut off, and then you lift it up, and then you can dump it out or grab it, whichever one you want. And it does to a perfect square that fits into the classic or medium-sized planner. Let me show you guys. Just going to flip to any page. Just going to flip to any page in the planner. Oops, and we'll see what it does. Absolutely freaking perfect. See? So you can use cardstock, you can use any kind of other paper. Just follow the directions on the back. Again, it says that punches, paper, and photos to fit the classic happy planner. So the capacity is 2 paper sheets, 1 cardstock sheet. Yeah, you can also put your photos in there too. That was super simple. I'll do it one more time, and just so you guys can see it again. This is super cute. You just put your cardstock or your paper or whatever in until you can't go anymore. You could do it to the end, but I usually give it just a little bit of leeway here. And I'm going to let my daughter push down this time. Push down all the way until you hear it click. And then, yeah, so that actually made a little hole-a-doodle there. And then you just take it out. Dump it out, take it out, whichever. And there you go. And you can put it wherever you want and start decorating your planner with your pictures or whatever you want to put. Super, super cute. Love it. Impressed. Thumbs up. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will show you guys one more time the front of the box just in case you missed it. There you go. And again, the pink one is for the big or the large happy planner. So yeah, super impressed. Hope you guys enjoyed the very short video tutorial. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget, in the description box, there is a link to go ahead and smash, so you can go ahead and enter on my giveaway running right now. And as always, stay blessed, stay warm, and I'll see you guys later.